The Construct History window in version 16 of Enterprise Architect provides a new way to monitor your construction in real time. Whether you're monitoring software development, model design, deployment, project management, or any other scenario, the new Construct History window keeps you in touch with an up-to-date view of the resource or task allocation, current testing being run, as well as following up on maintenance issues. The Construct History view is accessible under Test History in the Construct group on the Start ribbon. It provides 3 key tabs which can be filtered to what you want to see. Here is the resource or task allocation. Then we have the current testing being run, and the last tab provides a view of the current maintenance issues. Being an interactive filter view of these, you can set your filtering for a time frame to cover the most recent tasks, as well as setting how frequently the updates are checked. Clicking on a heading allows you to sort by any field. A key feature is the ability to further filter the content using the toggle filter option. In this case, let's filter this to see all the developer tasks. With the Resources tab, you can use this standalone and make updates to resource allocation with a double click. The details are in the Property window and can be updated on the fly for the selected resource. With the Browser's Inspector tab, you can see the related items for that element. You can also view this in conjunction with the project Gantt chart to view this graphically and see changes to the resource allocation. Changes in the Property view will also update the Gantt chart, all updated on the fly. With this Test tab, you can easily sort or filter the current testing items based on criteria like the status, the type of test, who ran them, or who checked them. Using the toggle filter option, you can easily filter your view with a short input of text. This can be used in conjunction with the Inspector view to give a clear view of the related tests and maintenance on any item. Clicking through the tests with the Inspector gives a clear picture of the other tests as well as any other maintenance related to these tests. You can double-click to edit, then change and save and see the properties updated. You can also make changes on the fly in the Properties window. With the Maintenance tab, this gives a similar set of features, but as a summary of the recent maintenance items. It has the visible time frame and update timing. Again, the details and editing of each entry is provided in the Properties window. The Inspector tab on the browser gives a broader view of the context and items related to tests or other maintenance, and double-clicking will give the dialog box with the core editing, which includes the description and history. Hopefully this gives you a good starting point for getting familiar with the new Construction History window, which is available in the version 16 release of Enterprise Architect. For more information on this, see sparxsystems.com/EA16.